Hello, in front of me I've got LG Q70. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. And now tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's go to Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Now let's select Loyalty and select Loyalty Pass you would like to add. For example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card because you have to select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and then tap to Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.